to my channel. So last time I did a Grove mini haul and I showed you guys like everything that I got from Grove for my first order, which was like a bunch of stuff for 20 bucks. By the way, if you're wondering, I'm in sweats right now. I cannot be bothered to change. So my aesthetic usually is like full glam, full makeup in comfy AF clothes. So we're sticking to my aesthetic today, if y'all are wondering. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you a giant, almost $300 haul from Grove. And I'm really excited to show you guys this. You guys seemed like you were excited about this video. And I'm excited about this video because I've had this box of stuff. It's a huge box sitting in my living room for about 3 weeks and I'm excited to actually put it away. So it's a win-win situation here. Like, I don't even know where to start. There's so much stuff in here. I think I'm gonna start with the, hey, I think they owe me something else too. I think I ordered something and it was supposed to come. I never received it, but that's okay. Yeah, so I should have gotten another candle and I didn't. And they didn't send me it. It said that I should expect it within 7 to 10 days, but I didn't. So I'm gonna have to call them because I was really excited about that candle. Honestly, I don't care that much, but I'll probably still contact them anyway. Anyway, I'm getting off topic. Let me close the window. If you're wondering what this is and like what Grove is, I'll leave my previous video down below so you guys can go check out more about the brand. If you guys are wondering if any brands on the website are cruelty free, then I will refer you to Logical Harmony's website, and she has a whole list of brands that are cruelty free, are not cruelty free, might be cruelty free but not confirmed. So anyway, now that I got that out of the way, let's start. So the first thing that I ordered is a trio set. So I got a fall set. And I believe that this comes for free if you are a first-time customer, along with a couple other items. At least this is what it was like a couple weeks ago. But this is their pumpkin scent, Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, dish soap, and multi-surface everyday cleaner. I'm not sure how much it was, maybe like $15 for 3 of them, which is a pretty good deal. Mrs. Meyer's is cruelty free, but they do have a parent company who tests on animals. If that bothers you, just full disclosure of that. And by the way, you guys, I did get VIP. I did cancel when I first started my, like, you get 3 months VIP, and I canceled mine, but then I ended up purchasing a year for $20 because I'm like, well, it'll probably pay off anyway. I don't foresee myself buying much of this stuff anywhere else other than Grove. So here we go. Sticking with the Mrs. Meyer's train, I bought another hand soap. This is Compassion Flower. Let me smell it. Oh wow, that smells nice. So I will say that Mrs. Meyer's scents, they probably are an acquired scent, but I enjoy them. The pumpkin one, let's see. It's not bad. I don't love pumpkin spice scents or anything like that, so I'm confused why I bought so many pumpkin things. I guess I was just in the mood for fall, which is also going to explain why I bought 2 fall Mrs. Meyer's candles. I bought the apple cider scent and the pumpkin scent. We already know what the pumpkin scent smells like. It's okay. These are soy candles. I believe that everything Mrs. Meyer's is vegan, which is great. Yeah, that smells all right. But to be honest, I'm probably gonna put it on anyway and enjoy it. But this is, I'm pretty excited about this. And I did buy a mum scent too, but that didn't come. That's also a limited edition fall set scent. This. I don't know if it's like an upstate New York thing where I'm from, but apple cider just like, it has a very special place in my heart. And I feel like if you are also from upstate New York, maybe the East Coast or the Midwest, then you'll understand my love for apple cider. Let me know down below, do you guys also enjoy apple cider like a lot? Because I'm curious. Growing up, we would always go to like Halloween little events, and they would always serve donuts and apple cider. That was like the traditional, I guess, Halloween little treat. So if you guys can relate to that, please let me know, because sometimes I feel like I'm totally alone and people have no idea what I'm talking about, especially in Los Angeles, because I did not grow up here. And next I bought a giant thing of Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent. It says it's 64 loads per bottle. It's concentrated, so you only have to use this little tiny bit. This is one of my favorite scents. It's the basil, the basil scent. And I also bought the laundry detergent in the basil scent as well. I've noticed that lately a lot of brands have actually been added to the avoid list on Logical Harmony, especially like brands of detergent that I used to use, including Method, I think Ecover and Ecos. So that's a bummer. So I had to change it up a little bit. Next I bought this. I think this came together as a set. I think it was $15 for both, but it is a hand soap refill. This is the lemon verbena scent. And then this is a glass hand soap bottle, which I thought would be really helpful for me and Cindy. This is really cute. It does say Grove on it, and then it has a little like plant leaf or something on it. I just thought it was cute, and I don't know, maybe me and Cindy can transition into being adults, because we always just use these little plastic ones. So I feel very adult buying like a glass hand soap bottle. Can refill it. Pretty classy up in here. Okay, so you guys are gonna notice something, and that is a lot of brands that are cruelty-free with vegan options are actually owned by parent companies who test on animals, and there aren't that many companies that don't have a parent company who test on animals that are actually cruelty-free and have vegan options that are cleaning supply companies. I feel like it's a little hard. So this is 7th generation. They also have a parent company who tests on animals. This is their natural laundry stain remover. I don't get stains on my clothes that often, but I feel like when I do, this will be good to have around. And then I got a Bleach Alternative. This is chlorine-free bleach. And I think, let's smell it. Oh wow, it doesn't even smell like bleach. That's crazy. I feel like bleach is always going to be tested on animals, but sometimes we do need it. But if I can have a bleach alternative around, maybe I won't need to use as much of it. But you know, it's just, we all do the best we can. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out. Next, I bought these little reusable storage bag essentials set, and it comes in multiple sizes, and I don't know how much I'm going to be using these. I still am a user of Ziploc bags, which is not great, I know, but some things I feel like it's kind of not inevitable, but it just makes it easier if you're like storing bananas in the freezer to just throw them in a Ziploc bag and freeze them. So anyway, I'm excited to try these out. I'm not sure if they can go in the freezer, so if you guys have tried these out, let me know. These are the Grove brand, and yeah, I'm excited to have more reusable options and have less waste in my life, which brings me to the next one. These are by Preserve, and these are food storage containers, which I'm super excited about. I got this one, which shows a little Sammy on it, and it comes in a 2-pack. I guess put whatever you want in here. It's like the size of my face, so it's not huge, but it's a good size. And then I got 2 different sizes of these ones. I think this is the small and the medium. I think this is just 1 each. But still, it never hurts to have more of these Tupperware containers around to cut down on your plastic consumption. The ones that we have now, I think, are from the Dollar Tree, and they're like not the greatest quality. And then these are made from recycled plastic, so good for the environment too. Another thing that I do really appreciate about Grove is that they really try to use the least amount of packaging as possible. I did buy maybe like 4 huge packs of toilet paper, a bunch of paper towels, and some tissues, because me and Cindy, it's just something that we don't go through a lot, but it's just nice to have. So I did order like a bunch of those kind of things, and I think it was like the paper towels, they came in a box and it was like exactly the perfect size. This came in 4 different boxes because I ordered so much stuff. It's nice to not have a bunch of excess packaging, so I really appreciate that about Grove. Also from Preserve, I bought 3 toothbrushes. 3, did I say 3 or 2? This is 3 toothbrushes, ultra soft. I've tried these before, these are good. They're not really my go-to, but I think that's all they had on there, so I'm down. Also from Preserve, I bought Shave 5, what is it called, for your razor cartridges, and I already have the razor. I bought it a while ago, but it's always good to have some backup razors, and they are completely vegan, cruelty-free. If you guys didn't know, sometimes they put like milk proteins in the little strip right here, so that's nasty. But also there's a lot of companies out there that make razors and stuff like that, and they aren't even cruelty-free. So it was really important to me to find one that actually works. And the one that uses these, it actually works really well. I've tried one of their other razors before and it was like complete trash. Not because they are trash necessarily, but mostly because I'm trash and I like like I'm really rough. So I felt like it was just really flimsy and it was not giving me a good shave, and it wasn't for me. But this one, it's bomb. Got some organic cotton rounds because that's super exciting. I got some tile and tub cleaner. I don't know, I just thought this was interesting, and the bottom of our bathtub gets really gross really fast, so I figured why not try that out? It might be a miracle. They did send me a complimentary hand sanitizer gel for my $300 order. And then I bought some stuff from Hello. I got the activated charcoal mouthwash, and I got another one of this toothpaste with activated charcoal. I've been using this for like a couple weeks now, and it is dark and it kind of makes a mess when you spit it out. That's the only complaint that I have against this. Like, if you're not careful, that will go everywhere in your sink, so I always have to like take a second to clean up after I brush my teeth. And then I got this cute little black toothbrush, because you can never have too many toothbrushes and you can never have enough things that are black. Am I right? So the last thing that I got, I've actually been keeping in my refrigerator because that's what you have to do. These are multivitamins. This is for daytime, and then, oh no, this is for nighttime, this is for daytime. I knew when I bought it that I wouldn't have a problem taking the one in the daytime, but I would forget to take the one at night, and that's exactly what's happening. These are cool, they're like liquid. I don't really see a difference. This one is raspberry and then this one is coconut, so they were pretty pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but I did have some credit, which is how I bought most of this stuff. I figure it can't hurt to have some multivitamin action going on in my life. Sometimes I always don't get the best things, I'm sure like most of us, so I've been enjoying these, although usually I forget to take the nighttime one, but still it makes me feel like I'm doing something right when I remember to actually take a multivitamin. So just throwing that out there. So yeah, that's just about everything that I got from Grove. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Maybe you guys got some ideas of things that you want to try in the future. Maybe you guys want to try out Grove. If you do want to try them out, I will leave a link down below where you will get a free 5-piece set with a $20 purchase and free shipping and 3 months free of VIP, which is a pretty good deal. I did it. I've been doing it. Tashina actually referred me, and I have been actually loving the service, so I'll leave my referral link down below, and then you guys can refer your friends, and then you guys can get referral credit for referring your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.